To change your debit card on the Zelle app, start by opening the Zelle app on your mobile device. If you do not have the Zelle app, you can download it from the App Store on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings or Profile section. This is usually found by tapping on your profile picture or name. In the Settings section, look for the Manage Account or Payment Methods option and select it. This will take you to a page where you can view and edit your linked debit cards. Find the debit card you want to update or replace and select the Edit or Remove option next to it. If you want to update your debit card information, such as the expiration date, you can do so by selecting the Edit option. Enter the updated information and confirm the changes. If you want to replace your debit card with a new one, select the Remove option and then add a new debit card. To add a new debit card, select the Add New Card option and enter the required information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any errors. Once you have entered the new debit card information, confirm the changes and wait for the verification process to complete. It is essential to note that you may be required to verify your identity and the new debit card information through a verification process. This process may involve receiving a verification code sent to your mobile device or email, which you will need to enter into the Zelle app to complete the verification. After completing the verification process, your new debit card will be linked to your Zelle account, and you can use it to send and receive money. Make sure to review your account settings and payment methods regularly to ensure that your information is up to date and secure. It is also important to keep in mind that you should only link debit cards that are in your name, and that you have the authority to use. Linking a debit card that is not in your name or that you do not have permission to use may be against the terms of service of the Zelle app and may result in your account being restricted or closed. In conclusion, changing your debit card on the Zelle app is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your debit card information is up to date and secure, and you can continue to use the Zelle app to send and receive money conveniently and safely.